Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make a video with Pixverse AI. In order to do so, here we are at Pixverse.ai and we're all logged in. And as you can see, I've already generated a video here and we've just done something rather simple here. I added an image and just added the prompt woman walking towards camera, and you can see for yourself what the results are like, and they are really quite nice. So what we're going to do here is I just want to show you how fast this took, and we're going to try something else a little bit more advanced, let's say, to see what the results are like. So first off, I am impressed with how long this took. It really only took like about 30 seconds to a minute. So that was pretty cool. But let's go ahead and try something here. And let's try jumps and crashes through the ceiling and flies away into the sky. So we'll just see how Pixverse handles something that's a little bit more complex. So we're going to go ahead and hit create now. And Pixverse does offer free credits. So that's something that's nice. You do get 60 free credits, I believe is what it was, for logging in daily. So that's quite nice. And there you go. So, I mean, that was really fast. And here we go. So we didn't quite get the crashes through the ceiling and fly away into the sky, but we did get the flying away into the sky, but not so much crashing through the ceiling. But still pretty cool. You could see here how fast that took. She's very happy about flying away, and you can just see for yourself how fast it is and what the results are like. And just as it is with generating videos, sometimes it's a bit of a roll of the dice. You do get those free credits to play around, but sometimes you are going to need to try a couple times before you really get what you're looking for. But you can see for yourself there just how fast that was, and the quality is really quite nice. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in My Stylus AI, you can make your essays fast, easy, and personalized with My Stylus AI. My Stylus's AI-powered text editor helps you write, edit, and cite with confidence. Save hours on your next essay, and if you use promo code SkillcraftAI10, you'll get 10% off your subscription. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.